Ever heard of the high-altitude sneeze? When humans ascend to high altitudes, the body undergoes fascinating changes to adapt. One quirky adaptation is an increased sensitivity in the nasal passages, leading to unexpected sneezing fits. This happens because the dry, cold air at high altitudes irritates the nasal lining, triggering sneezes. It's like your nose is throwing a mini tantrum. This peculiar reaction is a reminder of how our bodies strive to adjust to new environments, even if it means a few extra sneezes. So, next time you're in the mountains, keep a tissue handy. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fun facts.